The best part is that all of these websites require no experience and are completely free to start using. And some of the last few on the list can earn you over 6 figures per year, depending on how far you take them. I found some websites that you can use to start making easy money from home every single day. It would be wonderful if money could just fall from the sky, but thanks to an app called Webull, it can. Webull is a stock investment app, and you can get 12 free stocks worth up to $36,000 just for opening an account and depositing any amount of money, even as little as 1 penny. This is essentially a no-brainer because it's essentially free money, and the best part is that you can start using it right away. I'll leave a link in the description of this video, but when you click it, you'll be taken to this website, where you should click the button that says Join Today. After you sign up and complete the application process, you'll need to link a bank account, which is the account you'll use to deposit any amount of money. Once you do this, you'll receive your 12 free stocks, which are worth up to $36,000. After all, the website is called freecash.com, and there are plenty of tasks that you can complete for free that don't require you to buy anything. However, sometimes you'll see offers that might require you to buy something or pay for something in order to complete the offer, and I want you to avoid these offers at all costs. With this service, you can make up to $162 per offer, but typically, you can anticipate to make approximately $100 per month, with some of the more active users making up to $1,000 or more every month. Wouldn't it be fantastic to be compensated for offering advice on topics you care about or are knowledgeable about? Thanks to a website called Clarity, you can do just that. If you feel like you have something to contribute, you can obtain one-on-one advice from other users on Clarity about a wide range of topics, including business and entrepreneurship, different skills like productivity and public speaking, and even relationship advice. Even if you don't think of yourself as an expert, if you have experience in a particular field or our industry, you can sign up for Clarity and start earning some easy money from the comfort of your home. Now there are people making anywhere between $100 and $300 per hour using this website, but according to the website, the average 30-minute call works out to be about $50 or about $1.60 per minute, and that makes this a clear 5 out of 10. In my opinion, UserFeel is an additional website for user testing that enables you to quickly earn money by evaluating websites, apps, or prototypes. Your role is to complete certain activities, such as identifying a product in an online store and then completing the payment process. And this helps site owners identify and address usability issues from here. Each test lasts between 5 and 60 minutes and can be completed on your phone, tablet, or computer. Every new user will be required to take a qualification test, but after that, you can start making money by taking actual tests. On this website, the majority of usability tests last about 20 minutes and pay $10 overall. But UserFeel is a great website with a very fair payment structure, so I feel like it deserves a 6 out of 10. There is really only one reliable place in our blood where we can find plasma, which is why medical facilities are willing to pay you some seriously good money for you to donate your plasma. Websites like CSL Plasma will let you search for plasma donation centers nearby. Plasma is a very important component of your blood that is used in the medical field for many applications to save lives. Simply go to cslplasma.com and then click right here on Start Donating. The website will then show you all the requirements that you'll need before you can start donating your plasma, and then it will walk you through what to expect when you begin donating. You can make up to $1,000 per month by making weekly plasma donations. It's almost like money is just flowing through your veins. Listen, I don't know anyone who enjoys waiting in lines, which is why many people would pay very good money to have others wait in lines for them on websites like TaskRabbit. You can sign up to start taking on wait and line tasks, and as you can see here, there are already hundreds of people earning anywhere from $20 to $100 per hour just for waiting in lines for other people. The amount of money you can make doing this varies greatly, but the range tends to be anywhere between $25 and $50 per hour. Paying someone to wait in queue for you is really no different. You could be waiting in queue to buy popular concert tickets, to buy the newest iPhone, to buy a new pair of those Nikes that you can resell for $11,000. 7.4 out of 10. Hey, you're amazing, and I'm so grateful for your presence. Please remember that you can achieve everything you set your mind to in this life. I'm rooting for you. As always, I'll see you guys again soon.